Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Family Dollar. We're going to go over all of the good deals, glitches, plus I have a 5 off $25 scenario to share with you all. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Family Dollar, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each item with your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, before we get into the deals, Family Dollar did include this cute little Christmas dessert recipe in their weekly ad. So I wanted to go ahead and share this with you all. And I wanted to ask who all has already put up their Christmas tree and started decorating. So let me know down in the comment section below. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump right into the deals. First up, we have a deal on the Nestle Pure Life 24 packs of bottled water. They are on sale this week for $4. Next up, we have the Dr. Pepper brand 6 packs. They are on sale 3 for $9. And we also have a stock up sale on the Dr. Pepper brand 2 liters. They are on sale this week 3 for $3. Alright, next up we have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. They are 3 for $15 this week, but we do have a 2 off 3 digital coupons, so that's going to be paying $13 for 3. And here is another stock up price. We have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters. They are on sale 3 for $5, and we have a 2 off 3 digital coupons, so that's going to be paying $3 for 3. Next up, we have a sale on the Kraft Jet Puff Marshmallows. They are on sale 2 for $2.50. And we also have the Betty Crocker Delights Brownie Mix. Those are on sale 2 for $4.50. And we also have the Betty Crocker Frostings. Those are on sale 2 for $3. And you have to have cake to go with the frosting, so we have the Betty Crocker Cake Mixes. Those are on sale 2 for $2. Alright, now we're going to move on into our household deals for this week. We do have a digital coupon for $5 off when you spend $15 or more on Snuggle All and Purex laundry products. And we also received a digital coupon for $5 off when you spend $20 or more on Arm & Hammer products. Now we also have this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. This is on the 185.5 ounce bottles. These are priced at $12.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10.50. Alright, next up we have a $4.50 off digital coupon for the Gain laundry products, but this one can be a little bit confusing, so let's go ahead and read through it. So it says, buy any one of the Gain 154 ounce liquid laundry detergents or the Gain 60 count flings and one of the Gain fabric softeners or the Gain dryer sheets and get one of the 5.5 ounce Gain scent beads for free. So basically pick up one of the large liquid or flings Gain laundry detergents and then choose from a fabric softener or the dryer sheets and then throw in the scent beads, and this coupon will give you those scent beads for free. Now we do have some other Gain coupons on our accounts, and I'm not exactly sure if these will stack and work with that $4.50 off coupon or not. I may have to make a trip out to Family Dollar just to try and see. If I do, I will let you guys know. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and go over these coupons. So we do have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain liquid laundry detergent 65 ounces or the Gain flings 24 count. These are on sale this week for $7.45. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.45. Next up, we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain Fireworks, the liquid fabric softener, or the dryer sheets. These are priced at $7.45. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.45. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain Flings 14 count. These are on sale this week for $4.45, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. And then we also have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the small Gain Fireworks, fabric softener, or the dryer sheets. Those are all on sale this week for $4.45, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Alright, next up we have the 35 count Lysol wipes. These are on sale 3 for $7, and we may have some insert coupons floating around out there somewhere. If you guys want to check on that, you can always go to couponstom.com, and I will have that linked in the description box down below. Next up, we also have a sale on the Fabuloso wipes and the multi-purpose cleaners. These are on sale 3 for $5. And then we also have the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners 28 ounce bottles. These are on sale 3 for $5.50. Next, we also have a sale on the Palmolive dish liquids. Those are on sale 2 for $6. And then we have the Suavitel fabric softener and dryer sheets. They're on sale 2 for $5. And here's a few more deals on some dish soap. So if you want to pick up the Ajax dish liquid, they're on sale 3 for $6. We have the Gain dish soap 2 for $4.50. And then we have the Dawn dish soap 2 for $5. Now, we do have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Dawn dish liquid. So if you want to pick up one of those, they're priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. But if you have some insert coupons, here's definitely a better deal. You can pick up 2 for $5, use that 50-cent off one digital coupon plus the 50-cent off one insert coupon from the P&G insert, and that's going to leave you paying $4 for 2. All right, next up, we have a $1.50 off one digital coupon for the finished products. So if you want to pick up the 14-count dishwasher tablets, they're priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. All right, next up, we have a buy one, get one free for the Airwick products. So if you want to pick up the 2-count oil refills, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. Then we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze Unstoppables. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the 2-count Double Rolls Bounty paper towels. These are priced at $5.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.65. And then we also have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Bounty Essential paper towels. So if you want to pick up the 6-count, those are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. Next up, we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Charmin Essentials bath tissue. Those are priced at $5.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Angel Soft 8-count mega rolls. Those are priced at $5.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. And then we also received this $2.30 off 2 digital coupon for the Scott 6-count bath tissue. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $6.30. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Alright guys, so we're about halfway through the video now, and I just wanted to go ahead and take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me, because you guys know it absolutely makes my day to see all of those awesome smiling faces. And plus, it is a quick, easy, and free way. We all love free stuff around here, right? It's a free way that y'all can help support this channel. So if everybody's had enough time to do that, we'll go ahead and jump back into the deals. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and jump back into our personal care deals. We're going to kick this one off with a sale on gift sets. So this week at Family Dollar, all the gift sets are going to be buy one, get one half off, and these range in price from $1.50 all the way up to $15 each. Alright, next up we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis or Garnier Whole Blends shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $3.50 each, so pick up 2, use the coupon, and you're going to pay $4 for 2. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Garnier hair color products. Now this item might be a clearance item, so just keep your eye out for it. We have the Garnier Color Sensation hair color creams. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon you're going to pay just $2. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Irish Spring and Soft Soap products. Now this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 3-count Irish Spring bar soaps. These are priced at $3.15, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.15. Next up, we have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Degree, Axe, Dollar Shave Club, Swab, and Vaseline men's grooming products. This coupon does work on a lot of items. The first one, we have the Swab body wash. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Now, this coupon also works on the Degree 2.7-ounce men's deodorant. These are priced at $3.60, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. Now, this coupon also works on the Degree 1.7-ounce men's deodorants. These are priced at $2.45, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.45. Or if you want to pick up the Axe men's 1.7-ounce deodorant, these are priced at $2.75, so after that coupon, you'd pay $1.75. But this is by far the best deal that you can get with this coupon. If you want to pick up the Suave Men's Active Sport Deodorant, these are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Now, next up, we also have a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Suave Women's Deodorant. So if you want to pick up the 2.6-ounce, those are priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl eye products. If you want to pick up the 2-count eyebrow pencils, those are priced at $4.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.85. And then we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Maybelline makeup products. So if you want to pick up the powder, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Or you could also pick up the 2-count Maybelline eyeliner pencils priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. And of course, whenever you pick up any Colgate products, make sure that you're scanning your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now we do have a 1,200 point bonus when you spend $12 on Colgate products, and you can work toward that over time. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is literally the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on every receipt, no matter which products you pick up. And then you can eventually turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, make sure that you go and check it out. My referral code is on the screen here, as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Oral-B Floss Picks. These are priced at $4.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Next up, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products. So if you want to pick up the Oral-B Blast 2-count toothbrushes, these are priced at $3 each. Pick up a total of 3, use that coupon, and you're going to pay $4 for 3 2-packs. Now, this digital coupon is also working on the Oral-B Healthy and Clean 1-count toothbrushes. These are priced at $1 each, so pick up a total of 3, use that coupon, and you're going to get 3 toothbrushes for completely free. All right, next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Tums products. So if you want to pick up the 70 count, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And we also have a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Dulcolax products. Now, this is another glitch. It is actually working on the 4-count Dulcolax. These are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. All right, next up, we have a 1-off 2 digital coupon for the Huggies wipes. These are on sale this week, 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. And we also have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Huggies diapers. These are priced at $10.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. And of course, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now we have a 2,000 point bonus on the Huggies diapers, so that's going to make your final price just $5.50. Alright guys, so now that we've went over all of the good deals and glitches that are going on at Family Dollar this week, let's go ahead and go over a 5 off $25 scenario that I put together for this Saturday, December the 3rd. So for this deal, you want to pick up 3 of the Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters. They're on sale 3 for $5. 2 of the Scott 6-count bath tissues at $6.30. 1 of the Finish 14-count dishwasher tablets at $3.25. 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $2.75. 1 of the Irish Spring 3-count bar soaps at $3.15. 1 of the Swab women's deodorants at $2.65. 1 of the Swab men's active sport deodorant at $1.25. And 3 of the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes at $3. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.35. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 Family Dollar store coupon, the 2 off 3 Coca-Cola and Sprite, the $2.30 off 2 Scott bath tissue, the 150 off 1 Finish, the 2 off 1 Colgate, the 1 off 1 Irish Spring, the 75-cent off 1 Swab deodorant, the 1 off 1 Swab Axe and Degree products, and the 5 off 3 Oral-B products. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $8.80 for 13 items, making each one just 67 cents each. And then, of course, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app. That way y'all can earn points and make this deal even better. Now, if y'all are looking for even more deals to do this week, I've already uploaded 2 other videos going over some deals that we have at Dollar General this week. First up, we have the new penny list and clearance markdowns, which begin today on Tuesday. And then also on Sunday, I uploaded the new coupons and glitches video. And in that video, there's a lot of really awesome information. We have freebies, glitches, and overages. So if you guys missed out on either one of those videos, I'm going to have them both linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure that y'all stick around because I have Walgreens coming up next. So, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.